Now this one is an actual PSLE 2023 mathematics question on the concept of grouping. Let's discuss. There's a special offer. For every 10 eggs bought, 2 eggs will be given away for free. Every 10 eggs bought, 2 for free. In the end, Mrs. Ali brought home 120 eggs. That's a lot of eggs. She saved $4.80 during the special sale. How much do 10 eggs cost? Now, it's important to note in this question that the savings of $4.80 came from the free eggs. Okay, otherwise she wouldn't have saved any money if she didn't get the free eggs. So in this question, alright, it's important to group in one set. 10 plus 2, there will be 12 eggs, right? Because every time you buy 10 eggs, you will get 2 for free. So that is one group of eggs. And for Mrs. Ali, she bought 120 eggs. So we can find the number of sets. That will be 120 divided by 12. That will be 10 sets. So inside these 10 sets, right, she would have saved 10 times 2 eggs. Why? Because in each set, she would have gotten 2 free eggs. And that is the eggs that allowed her to save some money. So free eggs, 10 times 2. That will be 20 eggs. Okay, and her savings is given at $4.80. So because of the 20 eggs, she saved $4.80. So 20 eggs is equivalent to $4.80. And now, my friends, we need to jump to 10 eggs because that's the question. For 10 eggs, 20 to 10 you divide by 2. So 480s you divide by 2 as well. $4.80. Divide this by 2 and you will get the cost of 10 eggs to be $2.40 for this actual grouping question in PSLE 2023.